Welcome back, everybody. This is Brian Kirk with Eat to My Own Beat, taking the road less traveled with an episode of language lessons. This is Spanish lesson 2. We're going to learn about some body parts in this one. So, as you can see, we have a picture of a boy here, and we're going to go over each part of the body here. We're going to start with the head, and head is la cabeza, la cabeza. La, it's a feminine word, so it's got la in front of it. It's got the A at the end. So la cabeza, it means head. Next slide here is we're going with the ear, la oreja. La oreja, that is a feminine word as well, ends in A, la oreja. Now we're going down to the arm, and arm is el brazo, el brazo. The arm is el brazo. That is a masculine word. That's why it starts with L. And then we've got the hand. The hand is la mano. La mano. And the hand is la mano, and that is a feminine word. And then we've got the leg, la pierna. La pierna. And then last but not least, we have the foot, which is el pie. Pie. It looks like pie, but it is pronounced pie. It's masculine, el pie. So next time we will be doing some more language lessons. Until next time, keep eating to your own beat, take the road less traveled, and have a great day.